जी जाम करीम बिजाय साहब, आप कोई मोशन मूव करना चाह रहे हैं?
जी सर,
पढ़ें।
I wish to move under Rule 288 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the National Assembly 2007 that the requirements of Rules 51, 55, 57 and 158 of the said rules in respect of ballot of private members' resolution, orders of the day and notice of resolution for today may be suspended in order to take up resolution.
Now I put the motion to the House. The question is that the motion is moved be adopted. All those in favor of the motion may say aye. All those against may say no. I think the ayes have it and consequently the motion is adopted. जी रेजोल्यूशन मूव करें। जी
Recognition of former Prime Minister Shahid Zulfikar Ali Bhutto as a national martyr. Whereas Shahid Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, the founder of Pakistan People's Party, former president and former Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, made outstanding contributions to the political, democratic, social and nuclear strength of the country, whereas his efforts for national unity, empowerment of the common people, strengthening of democratic institutions and establishment of Pakistan's independent foreign policy are widely acknowledged, whereas on 4th April 1979, Shahid Zulfikar Ali Bhutto was executed following a judicial process that has since been widely criticized nationally and internationally, and recently the Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan has observed that he did not receive a fair trial. Whereas millions of Pakistani citizens regard him as a national leader who laid down his life for the cause of democracy and people's rights. Now, therefore, this House resolves and recommends to the federal government that Shahid Zulfikar Ali Bhutto be officially declared as National Martyr Shaheed. The federal government issue an official notification recognizing his martyrdom in the National Historical and Democratic Record. Relevant federal institutions, educational syllabus and archives reflect his contributions and services for the nation accordingly. Thank you.
जी तशरीफ रखें। Now I put the resolution to the House. The question is that the resolution as moved be adopted. All those in favor of the resolution may say aye. All those against may say no. I think the ayes have it and consequently the resolution is adopted.